Sunday, August 31st, last day of August, Seaside Park Ocean updates. Water temperature this morning holding in the 70s, 70.1. We have a low tide coming up around a little after 7, high tide around 2 today. Wind is northwest right now. It's forecasted to go north and then east in the mid-afternoon. No flies today. Flag should be green. Waves are looking the same swell it's been, 1 foot with occasional weak 2 foot. Once it warmed up yesterday, it turned out to be a really good day for the beach. Same story today. It's 60 degrees now, but once the sun starts nuking everything, it'll be a really nice beach day. Just watch out for the onshore wind. The temperature of the air today is going to be the temperature of the water, 70.1, because the wind's going to be coming off the ocean. Yeah, another great day and good day for longboard waves.